Hello, my fellow Pixelologists. This is Hero of Hyrule 26, and welcome to my brand new series where I draw your favorite video game characters in pixel art. So, without further ado, let's get going. And we're going to start off this series by drawing one of everyone's favorite Nintendo characters, Mario, from the Super Mario series. So let's get started. As you may know, Mario is a plumber, and he likes to go on adventures and rescue Princess Peach from the evil Bowser. So, let's go to the orange color and whoops. And to select the laser tool. So, accidentally made this hat too big, so don't want that. Get the sick green looking color. Almost kind of reminds of vomit, doesn't it, everybody? Which is totally gross, by the way. Don't want to forget to add his mustache. Now we fill in the rest of his head. There we go. Now for his body. Whoops. It didn't change colors though. Okay. Now change to the orange color again. All in his hands. Now go to the red color. That doesn't look like how. There we go. Let's go to the paint bucket tour. Change the color to that purely green again. Okay. Whoops. Now, all we need to do now is fill in his buttons and his overalls. And there you go. You'll have 8-Bit Mario. So, thank you all for watching. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button.